This video is in response to an incident involving a truck not being able to build up enough air pressure to dump the bed. We'll be covering how to check some common things with the Mack and the Western Star. This was briefed earlier by Donnie LaCroix, and we'll be reviewing it in just a moment. Let's get started. On the Mack, there are a couple of air tanks, and what we're going to look at is if you're having trouble building up air pressure in order to be able to raise the bed, or if you're having any issues with the air, there's a couple of tanks, one being down here, and what you want to look for is that air pressure relief valve. It's a ball valve. All you have to do is twist that little release valve to release the air on that one, and then right here, if you just pull on this cable, you can hear that. That's the way to release the one up underneath there. There is a secondary one here that you can also pull to release those. Let's go take a look at the Western Star. Alright, on the Western Star, those tanks are located in a very similar spot. If you look real closely down in here, you can see that ball valve down there. That's where you twist that one to release that air pressure for that tank. And then if you come back over here, in between the drop axle and the rear axle right here, up underneath there is another one that you can get to. Now, this one is not likely to need, or I say to need, this one's not likely to get hit if you're, say, pulling over an area that was milled. You hit, say, something similar to a windrow. However, this one down here and the ones on the other side can get bumped, and so those are the ball release valve, or the air pressure release valves, that you're going to want to hit, also known as a Petcock. So if you have any questions, contact the shop. But again, this is just a reminder that if you're running into air pressure problems, those are a couple spots you can check.